Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road. This is my mostly weekly video of the goings-on here in the Thompson School District and the greater Loveland area. And we have, after this week, 1 week left in the school year. So this is my second to last run out into the district for the 2022-2023 school year. Super excited. Weather's turned out great, and lots of stuff going on. We've got performances coming up. A bunch of people have them tonight, tomorrow, just all the way leading up until basically the last day of school. And I had a really cool thing that happened this morning. A teacher let me know that she had an instrument donated to her school, and it was a trumpet. And it was an older trumpet, and she does not play brass instruments, didn't know a whole lot about it. So I took a look at it, and it's a pretty cool little horn. It's a King Liberty, and it's in great shape. The valves look really good. A couple of quirky things about this one. It is slightly shorter, so it's a little more compact. I don't know the bore size on that one, but I'm guessing it's a little bit smaller. I tried playing it because, of course, I play trumpet. And the bell has an interesting bell bead. It's kind of angular, and the bell itself is a little bit smaller, which is all consistent with the time frame. I believe the horn came from sometime in the early 60s, somewhere in that vicinity, and it was associated with, I think, the Susquehanna University Band at one point. We found a program in the case. And there's not a whole lot of rot or decay. The finish looks pretty good. The valves felt great, and we're going to clean it up. We're going to get this horn into shape. The other cool thing about this one, the mouthpiece that it came with, it's a Box 7C Mount Vernon. And as I told her, I said that mouthpiece could be worth as much, if not more, than the horn itself. And very collectible, because the Bach Company, of course, was in Mount Vernon, New York, and then moved to Elkhart, Indiana. So the older stuff is highly sought after. And 7C trumpet being the most common mouthpiece size, it may behoove the school, if they're looking to add a little bit of funds to the music program, to maybe sell that off to a collector or something like that. What is the point of all of this other than it's just a cool horn, and I'm really glad that we have the opportunity to fix it up and put it in the hands of a kid. I know this stuff. And if I didn't know this stuff, I would have someone on staff who does, because we pride ourselves on being experts in this area. I mean, trumpets and older trumpets is definitely an area I know something about, and happy to share that knowledge to let people know, hey, you've got something here, or hey, if it's got sentimental value, fix it, but otherwise it might not be worth doing, because it's something that I think a lot of people don't know about brass instruments in particular. They tend not to hold their value over time. And the reason for that is they break down, wear out, but also the technology advances so greatly that the newer stuff is just built so well that it's more desirous. It plays easier or better, whatever you want to call it, unless, of course, the instrument in question is an antique that was owned by somebody or has some historical significance. But once again, we know all that stuff, and we know it so you don't have to. And if we can help assess something like that, you've got an old instrument that's been sitting around for a long time. It doesn't matter, not just band instruments, certainly not just trumpets. We know string instruments, bows, things like that as well. We've got the experts on staff who can help figure out if something is viable. Like this trumpet is going to be a very viable player for a kid, and they should be super excited to play it, or if it's something that is better left undone. So anyway, that is your view from the road here on this second to last week of school. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.